Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to build a target chart looking like this. I think it's a quite nice way to present outcome and target, and in this case also the previous year. You have a nice bar for the outcome this year, and then you showed the target for your year as a line like this, and also the previous year. So this is actually looking much less messy than a normal bar chart where you have 3 bars each for the outcome, target, and previous year. So now we're going to look at how we will transform this chart into something looking like this. Let's start by zooming in into the chart we're going to look at so we can see it better. I'll start by marking one of the bars, and then I go to change series data type. And here for target and previous, I choose line. I keep them in the same axis, but I have a line chart now. And then I'll mark one of the lines and format data series. And for the marker, I choose marker options and I choose built-in and I choose a line, and I want to have it 15 high. And for the line, I actually do not want a line. So basically no line. And what you see here now is that I have a small bar here that shows my previous year target. Yes, and then I'll do the same for the second line. Now we actually have our target sheet. The rest is just formatting. I will do the bars a little bit wider. I will add some shading on them. And I'll fix my target as well with some borders, the colors, and some shading as well. I think it looks better that way. There you go. In just a couple of minutes we have made a chart that looks much better than it did before. And if you like this video, please subscribe on my channel, hit the like button and comment. That will help with the algorithm. And thank you very much. See you soon again.